Morning, class. We were here in front of you to present our our title of this is Light Sensitivity Alarm. It means of 5 resistor, 2 variable resistor, 1 AC, 5 resistor and 2 variable resistor, 1 transistor, 1 LDR and IC and 2 capacitor, 3 capacitor and blipper and 9 volts battery. The use of this is to alarm, and we connect the power source to the circuit, so it have an one, and then it alarm, and we use the laser
To detect the LDR.
to light the LDR, and when
the laser's black,
the lasers block the LDR, it will alarm. That if you, and also you can also use mirror to
what?
to reflect the light like this.
Exhibition.
The mirror to reflect the light to LDR.
Wala ko nung king kamot. Mesti na LDR.
Uy, patay, zero.
Mesti LDR. Inay kayo na.
The LDR is not sensitive enough. If the LDR is not sensitive enough, we can adjust the variable resistor to sensitive.
Higher sensitivity. Lah. Tayan ito. Battery. No more sensitivity. Na reverse.